Akoriok apotu itele kasela ganole chuko division group ukanwai kekeun. Akoriok Ebelara nui ko Uganda kesi apotu Adoloto Amsterdam kakwa pangin ko Netherlands pasawane peta yare watupuru chukanwa geun aishisha keda Akoriok ngundu kanginam. Aboy kiton Uganda ko Amsterdam Josephat Biarwanga ngesi ejauni Akoriok wok katenungin apugana de yaitere nwakoru kakwa pangin ko Netherlands. Apon itara sikina ikesi ay sirimori o ibugalo Amsterdam nedam. Apotu ikarna tarluakan koto matakere na jas kesi tomam. Apon itari nikina ikesi itungalo ana ikisi ay boy koto matakere nua kipi. Apotako kiche koli mutu nuewo mtoske sa anyun. Ineketos kesi ay sisha nuipu dokonye eka olabongunu aswangunu kanwai keona akorukane ko Uganda.
It's at 11 p.m. Traveled with KLM, sat very well, very roomy spaces on the craft. We were looked after very well, and now we've arrived in Amsterdam at Schiphol Airport.
What do you wish to see?
I am very enthusiastic to find the best practices in strawberry farming and generally berries, because that's where my interest is, but also on a larger scale, I'd like to know what exactly happens in the field of agriculture generally, and also mechanization. I really want to see the factories and institutions, or factories that work with mechanics of agriculture.
The canals are inside the houses.
Now we are Regina from Uganda, a farmer from the border of Kenya. Here I've arrived at Amsterdam. I've seen the airport. The place is good. The environment is conducive. Everything here is modernized. And I'm here to learn. I want to learn more about farming. As per now, we are on the way going to visit the farms.
So I'm Nena, and I work for the Netherlands Enterprise Agency. And today we're here with the best farmers on the first day. And behind me is the beautiful city of Amsterdam. And we're standing here in the city center. And in Amsterdam, we don't only are famous for our canal houses, but we also have people actually living on the canals. So behind me are people are living on the boats. And like 400 years ago, we were famous for our maritime fleet. And also on the right-hand side of me, we have the Maritime Museum. And then there you can see how the boats were looking like 400 years ago. But right now we have, simple, small boats. And people want to live there. I think it's also a bit of a lifestyle. And you can also live there during winter times. You can heat your boat. But also right now we have a lot of traffic on the canals. So it's becoming a bit more difficult to live there for people. And Amsterdam is also it's actually the one city in the Netherlands with a water authority, because the water authority also really sees through that people are not, for instance, playing music on the canals or...
Dilax Emi Alamu, Kanuka TV East.